Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok FYP not showing relevant content. First, start by restarting your recommendation. Open the TikTok, go to your profile, tap on the menu icon, then go to setting and privacy. Scroll down and tap on content preferences, then refresh or choose refresh your feed, then restart your recommendation. Second, you can do when you see the video you don't like it, press and hold the video, then tap on not interested. Do this step or unwanted content. TikTok will learn your preferences over time. You can also go to the App Store. If you see an update is available, tap update. An outdated app can cause this type of error. If you keep watching repeated or AI video, TikTok thinks you like them. Swipe up away if the content is not relevant. After following this step, your FYP should start showing more relevant and interesting content. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.